There are 17 Sustainable Development Goals that aim to end poverty, injustice and tackle climate change. The infrastructure influences all of them. So here are 5 themes where we should focus on. First, we can increase productivity, which is the amount of output generated per unit of input, such as capital, labor, and any other type of resource. So it comes natural to think that to increase productivity, we need to maximize the output and minimize the input, which in turn will also reduce waste. However, productivity is one piece of the formula, and by increasing it, we will get just as far. Another element is decarbonization. We need to bring carbon into the conversation. Your question to the client is not what do you want me to do, but rather what do you want to achieve. This way you can influence the project and deliver engineering solutions that address their needs in a sustainable way. Let's move on to resilience. We all know that at the heart of the Roman Empire there was a sophisticated resilience infrastructure network. Their vision was of centuries ahead. This is why their infrastructure is still standing nowadays. We need to adopt the same principle to our project, stress test them to a wide range of climate extremes that we can predict in the future. Let's talk about water. Political attention and financial investment in many parts of the world do not fully appreciate this resource yet, which in turn leads to inequality in accessing water resources, creating insufficient and unsustainable use and degradation of water supplies. And this undermines nearly all of the Sustainable Development Goals as well as basic human rights. So to transform the availability of water, we need to value it more. Valuing water infrastructure, valuing services of water supply, sanitation and hygiene, and water as input to food, energy and business. And finally, the last piece of the puzzle is our ethical duty as civil engineers to challenge the status quo. So next time you are faced with a project, remember how much is your power to make the difference to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. Thank you.